Game, Premium Access versus Rapid Bowlers. Labanan ng mga tambay. Inang yan.
Okay, game. Both team, good luck. No possession. Punta sa there's Elisa who's foul. Jersey number 3. First person of our first team foul.
Kaya. Hindi naman dumugo eh.
14 shot clock. Still by drop it. There's a double dribble. Turnover, no basket.
Par na wala par.
Steal by jersey number 25. Jersey number 17. Pull up for 2. Blocked by jersey number 3. Traveling violation. Turnover again.
Tang inang yan.
Ball pa rin ang drop it. 14 shot clock.
Tira mo.
10 shot clock. Jerry side step. Ganda mo pero wala. Offensive rebound by jersey number 1. Pull up for 2. Malakas. 0-5 pala. Dahan lang. There's a foul again. Who's foul? Jersey number 19. Blocking foul. First person of our second team pa. 14 shot clock. Jersey number 7. Pull up for 2. No good. Wala pa rin nakakashoot. Offensive rebound by jersey number 25. Pull up for 2 using board. There's a technical foul. Jersey number 19. Technical foul.
Bakit anong ginawa niya?
Second personal foul, jersey number 19 and 30 foul. Malapit muna sa free throw line. Pasok. Fourteen shot clock. Jersey number 25 for 3. Tapos do agad. Jersey number 25. Jersey number 19. Jersey number 3. Nasundot doon. Jersey number 25. To jersey number 25. Pull up and away. No good. Rebound by jersey number 19. Pero nasundot doon ni jersey number 34. Steal again by jersey number 19. Offensive rebound. Put back. Wala. Jersey number 7, coast to coast. There's always who's fouled. Jersey number 17. First announced warning for penalty. Unang free throw. Wala. Jumpers ready.
Bro, how are you?
Oh, I'm good. Are you?
What is the football pitch?
This one.
Correct.
But I think it's good.
We just scored 5-0. 5-0
But
run.
it's still close because of that one. The ballon, big balloon over there.
So baby, is it?
Yeah.
Jersey number 17.
Now they're not playing now.
Now they're not playing now because of that one. But I think they're gonna move this one here, and then you can play football.
Nice pass. Jersey
This
number
one, do you mean this one?
015.
That one over there.
How they remove? That one is for babies. How they remove?
they're gonna take out the air for that one because that one is only balloon.
There's a foul.
Yeah.
Who's foul? Delikado yun. Jersey
just
number
don't know yet.
25. Penalty. Ingat lang po. Ano, free throw, pasok. Jumpers ready. Connect, 2 for 2.
Walang injury, sige lang.
7. Pass break play, pero na-steal doon yung jersey number 19. Nice pass. Kinaliwa, wala. Defensive rebound by jersey number 25 to jersey number 3, fake. Mahina. Malakas ang pasa. Sayang yun. Jersey number 17, setting play. That's jersey number 19. Jersey number 25, pull up for 2. Lumabas. Big rebound by jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 25, wait. Pass na pala. There's a foul, then blocking foul, jersey number 25. Second personal foul. Penalty. Penalty. Wala. Jumpers ready. Sumot. Wait lang. Pag sumot, pre. Ay sir, mamaya lang. Pag sumot. Wala. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Jersey number 70. Pass to jersey number 3. There's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Jersey number 20, sub ref. First personal foul, first team foul. Nice pass! Wala! Defensive rebound niya pa rin. Follow up and 1. Who's foul?
Tapat.
Jersey number 34. First personal foul, second team foul. May access. May bonus free throw. Jumpers ready. Malakas. Rebound by jersey number 7. Jersey number 9. Nice. Rebound by jersey number 9. Ganda na. Naka move. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Jersey number 015. Pick. Block to jersey number 19. Pull up for 3. So offensive rebound by jersey number 5. There's a foul again. Who's foul? Jersey number 34. Second personal foul. 13 foul. 14 shot clock. Jersey number 19 for 3. Who's same ball. 14 shot clock. Sub rep, sub. Jersey number 17, connect for 2 point. 6-9, 3-point lead by Access. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Jersey number 7 to jersey number 9, reverse, no good. Offensive rebound, follow up. Connect for 2 point, jersey number 18. Tip na, nadulas. Jersey number 17. Here with the ball. Good. No good. There's a whistle. Who's
Dapat
foul?
ganun, magbigay ka ng
Jersey
space.
number 015.
Mo ng konti.
First personal
Hindi,
foul
apat na yun ha.
penalty.
Apat na yung nalaglag. Apat. Apat na.
Oh,
Yung
50
last dito
seconds
kanina.
remaining.
Yung last dito kanina.
Yun ang free throw, wala. Oh, 40 seconds remaining.
Oo, tatlo isa.
Defensive rebound by jersey number 7. Fake pull up, no good. Lumabas 25 seconds. 20. 15 seconds. Malakas, muntik pa. Jersey number 17. Number 2, 5 seconds. End of the first quarter, official score 11-8. Let's begin the second quarter. Drop it ball. There's a foul, jersey number 10. Blocking foul.
Okay, sana yun kung
First
wala
personal
yung,
foul.
kung wala yung referee doon. Call.
Two points. Number 17. 10-11. Connect for 2-point, jersey number 7. Back to 3-point lead, 13-10 official score. Oy! Jump ball.
Call. Call.
Bola
Call.
na access.
Call. Anong oras tayo bukas?
Offensive rebound by jersey number 9. Pull up for 3. Yes sir, for 3. Jersey number 9. Steal by jersey number 7. Pass per play to jersey number 05. Back to jersey number 9. Nice side step, connect for 2-point timeout. By drop it, official score 18-10.
Lumalayo na.
Back to 8-point lead by Access.
Ay, lumalayo na. Buti na lang mahangin. Hindi pa ito yung pinakahangin niya. Ay, yung pinakainit niya. Meron pa yan.
Back to the ball game.
Drop it ball. Insan!
There's a foul and one. Jersey number 9. Bonus shot. First personal foul, jersey number 9, and second team foul.
Yan ang mga number 2, 1-5.
Connect. 13-18 official score. 5-point lead by Access. Jersey number 17, pull up for 2. Yes, sir. Connect for 2 point. Jersey number 17.
Same ball.
Sundot doon ni jersey number 05. Wala pa rin ng drop kick. Then to shoot. Nice pass to jersey number 17. Back-to-back 2 points. Jersey number 17, 22-13, 9-point lead. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Good. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 05. First pass to jersey number 5 for 3! Jersey number 05. Lumalayo ang Access, 25-13, 12-point lead. Nice pass to jersey number 10, pero malakas offensive rebound, follow up. Connect for 2 point, jersey number 10. Jersey number 17. Nabit ang oras. Pass to jersey number 7. To jersey number 9. 10 to shoot. Nice pass pero medyo mataas ng reverse. Steal by jersey number 9. Jersey number 9, big. Block by jersey number 015. Napunta ka jersey number 15. Coast to coast. Malakas. Time out by Access. $17-25 official score. Offensive big rebound by jersey number 015. Pass to jersey number 19. Nice cross. Steal by jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 9. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 15. Back to jersey number 19. Pull up. Connect with 2 point. 19-25, 6-point lead. Back to 8-point lead by Team Access. Jersey number 9. Sabrep. 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 There's a foul. Who's fouled it? Jersey number 15. Drop it. First personal foul. First team foul. Yun ang free throw. Wala. Jumpers ready. Connect. 26-19 official score. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Jersey number 15 coast to coast. Connect for 2 points. Jersey number 15.
Wala pa siya proper to eh.
Okay.
2 minutes and 10 seconds. Wee by jersey number 25. 29-21. Official score. Jersey number 15. There's a whistle. Who's foul? Sabrep. Sino foul? Jersey number 24. 34. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Wala. Jumpers ready. Connect. 22-29 official score. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 17. Mahina. Rebound by jersey number 34. Nabitawan ang bola. Good. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Nice pass. Wala, sayang yun. Mahina. Steal by jersey number 9. Connect for 2 points. Jersey number
Pero kung papawal
12.
papawal yun. Oo.
12. 55 seconds.
Yan ang hilig niyan eh. Kahit yung bola.
$45 seconds. 14 shot clock. 40 seconds. Pass break play to jersey number 9. Defensive foul yun. Bawal yun. Mayroong extension. Sunod dyan. Second personal foul, jersey number 9. And warning for penalty. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Nice pass to jersey number 18. 5 seconds. Passer na lang. Pasok pa. Passer bit. Official score 24-33. Oh, let's begin the third quarter. Rapid ball.
din ang mga players ng ano ng itong mga traffic bowlers. Wala, hindi sila naglalaro ng ano ng elimination. Ngayon lang sila maglalaro.
Jersey number 17 to jersey number 7. Back to jersey number 17. Nice pass, connect for 2 points. Jersey number 17. Same ball.
Bang bang.
There's a foul. Jersey number 3. Second personal foul, jersey number 3, and first team foul. Nice pass to jersey number 7, connect for 2 points. Easy 2 with jersey number 7. Jersey number 15, no good. Malakas, offensive rebound by jersey number 3. There's a foul, who's foul rep? Jersey number 18. First personal foul, first team foul. With a free throw. Wala. Jumpers ready. Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 34. Foul. Jersey number 3. Ng drop it. Third personal foul. Jersey number 3. And second team foul. Jersey number 7. Nasagot na jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 15. Easy 2. 26, 37, 11-point lead. Mataas ang pasa. Bola. Block by jersey number 015.
Grabe, hindi na siya naglaro.
Pen to shoot. Steal by jersey number 20. Jersey number 15. Wala. May na-block by jersey number 34. Pass to jersey number 25. Pero, traveling violation by jersey number 25. Time out. By Access, official score. 37-26, 11-point lead.
Naka-VIP. Maganong-ganon
Back to the ball game. It's a foul. Who's foul at jersey number 25? Yan ang foul ni jersey number 25. Third personal foul, jersey number 25. And third team foul. 2 free throw with jersey number 7. With a free throw. Pasok. 38-26. Back to 12-point lead. Pangalawang free throw. Malakas. Offensive rebound by jersey number 34 pero tumapak sa paa ay sa linya.
Grabe naman yung tumapak sa paa.
Jersey number 10. To jersey number 43, no good. Purpose niya. Using the time, pass to jersey number 7. Nice pass. Pero nakasundot doon to jersey number 15. 15 ngayon. And 1. Who's foul? Jersey number 27. First personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot. Jumpers ready. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 25 pero still by jersey number 7. Jersey number 27. Jersey number 27 umigot. Traveling yan. Shot lang. Jersey number 17. By jersey number 17. 31-38. Back to 7. Oh, who's foul rep? Jersey number 25. Fourth personal foul, jersey number 25. Entering for penalty. Drop it. Wala. Pag pumasok sa okay. Wala. There's a foul. Who's foul? Jersey number 27 sa prep. Second personal foul, jersey number 27. And third team. No. Jersey number 19. That's to jersey number 15. To jersey number 17. 14 shot clock. Jersey number 19 for 3. Lumabas. Offensive rebound by jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 17 for 3. Mahina. Stepping the line. By jersey number 34. Shot clock. 12 to shoot.
Score rep. So foul, he's fouled it. Jersey number 10. First personal foul, entering for penalty. No access. Unang free throw, pasok. 32-40.
2 for 2 by jersey number 17. 33-40, 7-point lead. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Jersey number 9 to jersey number 27. Nice pass pero block doon sa Brep. 12 to shoot. 12 to shoot. To shoot. Nice pass to jersey number 3. Connect for 2 point. 42-33, 50 seconds. Pinasa ka jersey number 7, pass replay to jersey number 34. To jersey number 9, bitaw na bola. 30 seconds remaining.
Kaya biglang pukul.
25 seconds. 20 seconds. Di tumama yun. Time to shoot. Seconds. Jersey number 17. 5 seconds. End of the third quarter, official score 42-35, 7-point lead. Meron pa tayong last quarter. Another 10 minutes. Let's begin the fourth and final quarter.
Dalang bola, depensa kayo.
Access ball.
Defense bola, dito.
Nice. 2-point jersey number 17. Jersey number 10. Willis. Pass to jersey number 19. Pull up. Malakas. Defensive rebound by jersey number 015. Malakas. Rebound by jersey number 34. Pass to jersey number 7. Labeling violation by jersey number 7, no basket. Steal by jersey number 17. Nice break play to jersey number 9, Bunso. Side step, blocked by jersey number 015. Nakuha ng jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 19, pull up. No good. Rebound by jersey number 34. Jersey number 17. Senior time. 14 shot clock. Jersey number 17, connect for 2, malakas. Rebound by jersey number 9.
Wala na mga to, nagkanya-kanya na sila.
Pass to jersey number 34. Nice pass. Mahina. Rebound by jersey number 015. Pass to jersey number 15. Oh, timeout by Access. Official score natin, 37-44. Pito na lang. Isa na lang timeout nyo. Access. Dalawa pa sa drop it. Back to the ball game. Jersey number 17. That's jersey number 25. Jersey number 27, malakas. There's a foul. Jersey number 27. Third personal foul, jersey number 27, the first team foul. And one basket. Who's foul? Jersey number 27 again. Fourth personal foul, jersey number 27 and second team foul. Apat na yun. Jumpers ready. Connect. 40-44, apat na lang. Biglang nakahabol doon ng drop it. Bumaba sa 4 na puntos na lang. Still pa, magpit pa. 10 to shoot. Good. Offensive rebound by jersey number 27. Connect for 2 points. 46-40.
Paldo-paldo ka na ngayon eh.
6 minutes and 40 seconds. Mahaba pa ang oras. May sub ba? Sub? Sub rep.
Diba?
O sub rep, sub. Jersey number 3. There's a foul sa ilalim. Jersey number 25. First personal foul, 13 foul. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Offensive rebound by jersey number 15. Side step. Traveling violation yun. Napasobrahan. Side step.
Kunin nyo to, talo! Kunin nyo na, orasan nyo na! Ayan, kunin mo!
Jersey number 7, may malakas pala. Rebound by jersey number 25. 5015, coast to coast. Malakas. Rebound by jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 25. To jersey number 27. Nice pass to jersey number 7. Connect for 2 points. Back to 8-point lead. 48-40. 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Yun o. Bossing.
Jersey number 3, side step, there's a foul. Who's foul? Jersey number 9, pushing foul.
Let's game kayo sa...
Third personal foul, warning for penalty ang access.
Mas wala tayo naman sa kasama.
Ba't wala?
Save ball.
Anong oras tayo bukas?
Third to shoot.
Anong oras ba sa ilado, Alex?
3. Jersey number 17.
Baka nga daw hindi pumunta.
43-48. 5-point lead.
May part-time pa ako bukas. Kami ni tatay. Tinawagan ako kanina.
Nasa ilalim, magandang pasa para kay jersey number 18. Connect for 2 points.
Gagi, ano lang yun?
50-43.
Nagwasing-wasing
4
ka naman sa
minutes
garahe.
and 15 seconds.
3 oras lang yun.
Jersey number 015, connect for 2. Traveling violation by jersey number 25. 3 minutes and 50
Nawala yung phone ko nung
seconds.
Saturday. Nawala yung phone ko nung Saturday. Kaya iba na gamit ko ngayon.
Hindi na nakita.
Hindi na. Buti tinanggal ko yung ID ko doon.
Ano pa nilagay?
Doon no, nagdas ako doon.
Sa wala.
Oo.
Kapal din ang
14 shot clock.
Buti ka mo. Buti ka mo tinanggal ko yung ano.
10
yung ID
shot
ko.
clock. Nice. Put back by jersey number 10, connected 2 point. Tatlo na lang, 47-50. There's a foul. Who's foul? Sino foul? 15. Second personal foul, first team foul. 14 shot clock. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. 14 shot clock. Ten shot clock. Jersey number 15. For 2, no good. Rebound for jersey number 25. Purpose ngayon to jersey number 9. Bunso, back to jersey number 25. Connect for 2, time out. Official score natin, 52-47. 5-point lead. Back to the ball game.
Ngayon, may ibon pa eh. Nagamang ibon. Kasamang ibon ba? May ibon ba dito sa iyo?
Jersey. Wala. Offensive rebound by jersey number 7. Wala, sinayang yun. Jersey number 34. Last 2 minutes. Still by jersey number 34. Napunta kay jersey number 9. Oh, shoot na yan. Sure ball na yun. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Lumabas eh. Turnover. Sayang yun. Sa prep. One minute and 38 seconds. Fourteen shot clock. Nice pass. Wala, sayang. Rainbow. 1 minute and 19 seconds remaining.
Sino kalaban nyo, Sak?
12 to shoot. 12 to shoot.
Yung Riga Boys?
Riga Bowlers.
Oo.
Kaso wala yung nakapit.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. $58 seconds. 50. Still pa. Fast break play to jersey number 17. Wala. Pasok. 43 seconds. 5-point lead. 43 seconds. There's a foul. Jersey number 17. Second team foul pa lang. 43 seconds.
Sak! Salud ka lang saglit. Thank you.
There's a foul. Jersey number 10. Third team foul pa lang. 41 seconds. First personal foul, jersey number 10. $37. Sa prep. 37 seconds. Fourteen shot clock. There's a foul. Jersey number 15. Warning for penalty. Penalty.
Free throw.
Malakas. 33 seconds. Thirty seconds. Good. There's a foul, pushing foul, jersey number 17. Na-block pa ni Bunso. Third personal foul, jersey number 17. Penalty. Connect. 55-49.
Uli! Uli!
20 seconds. Muntik pa pumasok. Meron tayo doon. 3-point shot. Free throw. Jersey number 7. Tatlo pa yan. Pasok. 50. 55. 19 seconds pa.
Tama pa yan. Tama pa yan. Yo!
Pasok. 51. Naapat lang. Nako.
Nako po.
Pasok. 3.3. 3-point lead. There's a foul. Jersey number 15. Fourth
Wala pa ba
personal
yan?
foul, jersey number 15. Wala. Nako.
Kabila, Mike! Kabila!
Siomay! Siomay!
Jumpers ready.
Siomay!
Connect. Time out. May isa pa yung time out. Drop it. 19 seconds pa. Nag-isang time out both team. Wala na pa ng time out, drop it.
Lab! Lab! Lab!
15 seconds. Tik pa. Foul. Jersey number 10. Third personal foul.
Right ha? Isa lang, usag, isa lang. Oo.
Unang free throw. Jersey
Labo!
number
Lab!
17.
Yung ano mo?
Pasok. 57-52. Back to 5.8. 11 seconds.
Right ha?
May isang upuan, Lord.
For two. Jersey number 12. 10 seconds.
Wala na yan.
5 seconds. Pushing foul for jersey number 17.
Ay, gusto bang free throw? Ay, gusto bang free throw? Ang Monday lang yan ah.
Connect. 59-52. 3 seconds.
Yan o, kasama nyo pa yung sako. Si Malupiton. Bossing!
Congratulations.